I owe the Quince linen pants an apology. In my last Quince review video, I tried their white linen pants and returned them immediately because they were way too sheer to feature in a video. However, in the comments section of that video, you guys convinced me to try them again, but in a darker color. And unfortunately for my closet, you were right. Hello, I'm Lindsay from Have Clothes Will Travel. I share style and shopping content as well as travel guides. And for today's video, I'm trying some new linen pieces from Quince. So since that last Quince video, Quince has actually sent me 4 new linen pieces to try with no strings attached. This video is not sponsored by Quince and they don't get to review it before it goes live. So these are my honest thoughts on these pieces. So today I'm trying the linen pieces that may have turned me into a linen person against my will. We're starting with wide-legged pants, a white button-up, a tiered maxi dress, and a camp shirt. And now this is still a first impressions review video. I did wear my favorite outfit on an 85-degree Wisconsin day, and I've washed everything before I filmed this video. Now let's start with the pants because these were the biggest surprise for me. The 100% European linen wide leg pants from Quince. These are the pants I tried in white before and returned almost immediately because they were way too see-through. This time I tried them in Bayberry Olive and this color is fabulous. These are $42. They're made from 100% linen and they have an elastic waistband, drawstring, and actual usable pockets, which is exciting for women's pants. I tried the 30-inch inseam and the fit is very relaxed and easy. And I know easy gets thrown around a lot when we're talking about clothing, but these really do feel like pajama pants that look acceptable in public. I wore them on an 85-degree day. I shot this video in them, I worked in them, ran errands, and then wore them to dinner on a patio where I was partly sitting in the sun. And I felt completely fine the entire time I was wearing them. So I really dislike wearing shorts in the summer. I just don't like the way they look on me and I don't like the way they feel. They are not comfortable to me at all. So finding a pair of pants I can wear on a hot day and still feel cool is a big deal for me. Now, these pants did wrinkle. Obviously, they're linen. This is the linen lifestyle, whether I like it or not. So this is what they look like after a day of wear. But I don't think they wrinkled in a bad way. They look more lived in than sloppy. I am totally getting these in another color. The olive green color is great, but now I really understand why people are obsessed with these. So thank you to the comments section for convincing me to give them another try. Now next up we have this 100% European linen long sleeve shirt. I wore the pants with this shirt in white and this was easily my favorite outfit of the whole order. This shirt is also $42 and made from 100% European linen. Quince describes it as a button-up you can wear on its own or open as a light layer, and I do think that's accurate. The biggest thing for me though is I don't have to wear a shirt underneath it unless I want to. This is huge because a lot of light shirts look cute online and then you get them and you realize everyone can tell exactly what kind of bra you're wearing underneath your shirt. But this one is not see-through on me. I wore it in a few different types of lighting and I didn't feel like my bra was showing through at all. And I made my husband check. I also like that it gives me sun coverage without making me feel like I'm overheating. And my husband saw me filming this video and said I looked so cool and comfortable, which is the exact summer clothing compliment I want at this stage of my life. So I kept this outfit on for the rest of the day. Now for $42 each, I think that this linen shirt and these pants are a really good summer buy and they look a lot more expensive than they actually are. Next, we have the 100% European linen tiered maxi dress. And this one is in blue pinstripe. I ordered this one because it reminded me of the Anthropologie Somerset maxi dress, which is one of those dresses people really seem to love. And I do understand why. The style is really flattering on a lot of different body types. But I personally hated the Somerset maxi dress's waistband. I tried it and within about 30 seconds, I knew I would never wear it just because it was so uncomfortable to me. So I was curious to see how the Quince version of this dress would feel. This one has a much more forgiving waistband. I don't notice it at all when I'm wearing it, which is exactly what I want from a summer dress. It also has nice deep pockets, which I always appreciate. And this blue pinstripe version is lined. The bust is lined too, so again, I'm not worrying about it being see-through. This is surprisingly hard to find nowadays. And this one is $84, but I do think that's a fair price point for it. It's comfortable and breathable, and it gives you that pulled together look without requiring much styling at all. My only hesitation is that I did notice that there were quite a few loose threads on this dress. Not enough that I would immediately send it back, but enough that I noticed. So I'll be paying attention to how that holds up as I wear and wash it more. But as far as first impressions go, I do really like this dress. Now the final piece is this 100% European linen camp shirt in blue pinstripe. This one is also $42 and made from 100% European linen. It has that relaxed, boxier camp shirt shape, and I kind of knew going in that this was not going to be my personal favorite, and that ended up being true. There's nothing necessarily wrong with it. It's comfortable, it feels nice, and I can see it being cute with the right pants or shorts. I just don't think that this shape is flattering on me. I tried it a few different ways. I tried it buttoned, unbuttoned, tucked in with jean shorts. It looks fine, it's just not my favorite Quince linen piece. That said, I do think I'll use it this summer. It would be easy to use as a swimsuit cover-up or something to throw on over a tank for a nice, easy look. Now, I also noticed a few loose threads on this piece too, which is something I'm gonna keep an eye on as well. So this one isn't a bad buy, it's just not my personal style. Now for a linen reality check. Now here's where I have to be honest. I have never been a linen person, and that is because I absolutely hate ironing things. I actually don't even own an iron. I have a little handheld steamer that I use if I need to get wrinkles out. And using that little handheld steamer to get the wrinkles out of all of these linen clothing, all of these linen pieces from Quince was quite the ordeal. I was pretty tired by the end of it. So yes, linen is higher maintenance than what I typically reach for in my closet. But I am starting to understand it now. I mean, it's breathable, it's comfortable, and you look put together without looking overly done. And the older I get, the more I care about clothing that makes me feel comfortable but put together. And these pieces really fit that. Would I pack them for travel? I'm not really sure yet. I don't like the idea of having to pack my steamer with me to get linen wrinkles out before a trip, but we'll see. They're really comfortable and I do like them. But for summer days at home, running errands, working, hanging out in the yard, going to dinner with friends, I am absolutely going to be wearing these pieces and I'm really excited about it. So final thoughts. My first impressions of Quince's linen pieces are mostly positive. The olive linen pants and the white long sleeve shirt that I'm actually wearing right now are by far my favorite pieces. I'm going to be wearing this outfit nonstop this summer, I know it. The tiered maxi dress is also very promising. I love that it's lined and comfortable and has a very forgiving waistband. The camp shirt is my least favorite, but mostly because it's just not my personal style. I still think it could work well for somebody who likes that boxier, roomier fit. My main concerns so far are the loose threads I saw on the camp shirt and the maxi dress. I don't know yet if that means anything long-term. I'm not a seamstress, but I thought it was worth mentioning. Overall though, I think these are really good summer pieces to invest in that are 100% linen and have a very fair price point. I'll keep wearing and washing these and I'll update in the description how they're holding up. And now if you've tried Quince linen, please let me know in the comments and let me know too if there's anything else I should try. And if this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more shopping content like this.